Welcome back, everybody, to Funky Star TV News Time. Welcome once again. Nnamdi Kanu revealed those created unknown gunmen in Nigeria. That be the topic where we get today. So everybody know who Nnamdi Kanu is. The gentleman not need any further introduction, but for those of you now will never hear about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he is our leader, the able leader of the indigenous people of Biafra and the president of Radio Biafra, and also the founder of Eastern Security Network, ESN, in the southeastern part of Nigeria. All of us know the reason why when Nnamdi Kanu roll out the Eastern Security Network in part of that Nigeria called Biafran land. So now the insecurity situation don't already get out of hand. There is no two ways about it, and the politicians, they are now ashamed of themselves because they know they are do nothing politicians. They know we already exposed all of them one after the other, expose them and their illicit looting, whether they loot Nigerian people back and forth, left and right, bomber to bomber. Then they loot, then they oppress, then they intimidate, then they kill innocent Biafran people. Today we still know say the army that when the SCN local government area in Akwa Ibom state, they still dey there where they not really come out. They still dey there, they kill, not be only killing, ladies and gentlemen, then they bombard. Bomb that they use to kill people. How can government, acclaim government, they use bomb, they kill his people, innocent citizens for that matter. When they claim say he get some unknown gunmen when they look for in ASEAN local government area. Remember say not too long ago when they go that area where they call Olo in Imo State, go bombard every nick and cranny of that Olo. Now the same thing don't they happen in all in Biafra land, but we never see these people when they carry these their jet bombers and gun tank and gun trucks go face the real criminals, when the Boko Haram terrorists, Ansaru terrorists, ISWAP, Al Qaeda, and the so-called herdsmen people. Now, the reason why when these people, what they call the unknown gunmen, bust out now because of the same government of the day, army and the police combined together, all of them follow create this sick unknown gunmen people. When they take the light to 200 million Nigerian people, say na Biafran people, na IPOB, na ESN, na this and that. Now it done already they open to the whole world. See IPOB, ESN, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they are all innocents, including the whole Biafran people. The people when get problem in that country when be Nigeria, now the northern part of Nigeria, when they be the Fulani people, and the APC government, police and the army, now then be the problem when Nigerian people get. Now your army be your problem, now your police be your problem, now your presidency be your problem, your governor, now be your present governors. In fact, including the past ones, all of them, now your problem in that country. The Gumi, when they talk, when come from the north, when go visit, if the man go visit bandit, ladies and gentlemen, and I go see tell on waiting the man yan today. The man say the same Gumi, when go visit the bandit, go come out, nothing happen to her. Army not shake body, they not tell and say where these people dey, nothing. Though the man don't still expose the army people, say now them be your problem. Now them be the, in fact, they bandit themselves. Say all of them know each other. They be friends. Then they dine and wine with bandit people. The Gumi today come and come claim say it's dey easy to see the bandits. Very, very easy to see the bandit than to see Buhari. Than to see una President Muhammadu Buhari. That one a statement in a country, a man they come and they yarn like that. Say it dey very, very, very easy to come see the bandit, visit the bandit and leave than to see una President Muhammadu Buhari. Nigerian people, una they look at this man, woe unto all of una. Woe unto all of una when they shout and they chant one Nigeria, one Nigeria. How can somebody come and they claim say to see the bandit? Meaning say Buhari is no more alive. Now the thing when the man they further tell una. Again, to further prove say Buhari not dey alive. To further prove say na impostors dey rule Nigeria. Aisha Buhari launched her so-called book yesterday. Buhari not dey among people, and this thing dey happen in Aso Rock Villa, where they say Buhari dey live. According to the news, some rich people, when Aisha Buhari invited, they not come. Somebody like Dangote and some all Adenuga and all of them, they not come. So, but Bola Tinubu gave Aisha Buhari 20 million. Dangote gave, according to them, according to the news, Dangote through his aides gave Aisha Buhari 30 million naira. Not only that, ladies and gentlemen, I said to further prove say Ona Buhari no dey. And why they launch book when all the whole prominent personals they there in Aso Rock Villa, but the Buhari when they claim is nowhere to be found. What a shameful country. What a zoo nation. What a zoo nation. I don't tell them I say wetin una get in Aso Rock na shadow government. Nigeria have no government. Nobody in place as the president of Nigeria. The people when they rule on her. In fact, Aisha Buhari know. She know. So forget all those things when the whole book they tell on her say do this, you do that. See, Buhari not dey, Buhari not dey. You not there alive, you be say you not there alive. Now, I say the book when a wife launch, don't further prove to everybody again say Buhari. If you so much love Aisha Buhari, or Aisha Buhari so much love him, why they not there together? Why the man not there? In fact, Bola Tinubu yesterday called Dolakbo, Yemi Osinbajo's wife. Bola Tinubu called her the wife of the president. Now that one a nice scatter the whole social media. Again, to further prove to you again, say Buhari not there. For Bola Tinubu to call Dolakbo the first lady of Nigeria. You think say a mistake? For where? They know what they do. So now when they chant APC and PDP, all of them they into problem. So make we take a look on waiting. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, they tell all of us. We go read and make it not be like say we dey frame something right here. No, as it take come, na so we go take Nyana. Funky D say na so in go they take the Nyana own until the end of time. You don't see something. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, has revealed those who created the unknown gunmen in Nigeria. In a post he shared on Twitter, a Nigerian army officer was seen forcing an innocent civilian inside a sewage. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu said as soon as he crawled out this filthy sewage, he metamorphosed into the deadly phenomenon known as unknown gunmen, #UGM. The unspeakable evil of Nigerian army and the police created this monster that is now consuming them. See no evil, hear no evil, brigades are accomplices. As soon as he crawled out this fifth sewage, he metamorphosed into the deadly phenomenon known as unknown gunmen. Alright? Nigerian military bombarding secretly, killing Igbos, Nnamdi Kanu. Make we go that one again. Make we go see how Nnamdi Kanu they tell us how did they bombard everybody in Biafra land once again. A state when they peaceful, na him army people go dey cause unwarranted war. Then they go dey cause war. When we say if they see the war, they no go fit handle am. Now when people keep quiet, they no go say e don do. When people go begin rise up now, they go begin to dey run. Now know how they take the run. I don tell una yesterday how in one of my video, when these same unknown gunmen go down block army people, they carry 28 million naira cash from this army people. Then with their weapons, all the whole weapons where they carry, including their vehicle, they disarm this army people. Now only Biafra land. Now when we say people quiet, they no go stop. They no go say it don't do. How can these people deploy aircraft, deploy gunboats, deploy different kinds of things? They take the bomb Biafran people for no reason. And the world no go see anything wrong. When President Muhammadu Buhari want to declare say that life, we will not know where in there, no go see anything wrong. Or say Banjo no go see anything wrong. Babangida they no go see anything wrong. Abdulsalami Abubakar no go see anything wrong. Femi Adesina no go see anything wrong. And this guy what they call Garba Shehu, they not see anything wrong. Go, they not see anything wrong inside this thing. They not see anything wrong. When he go shell now, they go begin to say now Biafran people start but now them be the people when they cause am. I say Ishawaju Bola Tinubu no go see anything wrong inside this thing. Or see Banjo when one become a president no go see anything wrong. The Afenifere people no go see anything wrong. They bomb people, innocent people for nothing, and nothing they wrong about it. The people when they claim say na them they cause am. Everybody now don't they? It don't they? Everybody clear say Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, ESM people, their hand not there inside all this is what they happen. So it never reach for the army people to say enough is enough. Maybe we see what Nnamdi Kanu tell us about how did they bomb that place again today. We continue. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has accused the Nigerian military of secretly killing Igbo people in Akwa Ibom and other states. Kanu claimed that the military was killing Igbo people and labeling them as unknown gunmen. He alleged that the military was using their aircraft to bomb people of Essien in Akwa Ibom State and some other communities in Benue State. Kanu spoke through the spokesman of IPOB, Emma Powerful, in a statement issued on Friday. The statement reads, "We, the indigenous people of Biafra, ably led by our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, wish to bring to the attention of the world how Nigerian government and her security operatives are massacring innocent Biafrans in Essien Udin local government area of Akwa Ibom State and some communities in Benue State. The Nigerian military has been killing the innocent and helpless citizens, claiming they are the unknown gunmen behind the spate of attack against security formations in the region. The Nigerian military has been using their aircraft to bomb the people of Essien as well as Benue State people, claiming they are fighting the unknown gunmen purportedly hiding in the area. This has again exposed the hypocrisy of the Fulani-controlled Nigerian military. They cannot use their aircraft against terrorists and bandits, daily killing their soldiers as well as civilians like flies, but zealous to bomb Biafran territories under the guise of searching for unknown gunmen. In February, it was Olu in Imo State that they massacred civilians using their aircraft. Now it is Essien Udin in Akwa Ibom State and Benue State. But an Islamic cleric has been dining and whining with terrorists, taking pictures with them, yet the double-faced Nigerian military cannot use its aircraft to trace their location. How can a responsible military use helicopter, gunboats, and military jets against ordinary citizens? Boko Haram and other Fulani terrorist groups have been killing soldiers and police in the northeast and northwest without soldiers terrorizing innocent civilians. So, ladies and gentlemen, una don hear everything what I yarn here. Una don hear everything what we yarn here. Now, so the matter be as the IPOB secretary Emma Powerful just yana. Now, so it be as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu just yana. Now, so it be as Funky D worldwide yana. Now, so it be. There is no two ways about the whole thing. Army people, they kill, they maim innocent Nigerian citizens. Most especially Biafran people, killing them for no reason. Once again, I don't ask them, say, as somebody when be owner groom, opus of them man, and the chief was Urike, now, don't come out. Don't let una know, say, this thing not be IPOB. Their hand not there inside. So, why una no go leave Biafran people alone? Why una no go come out from Udin, Essien Udin local government area in Akwa Ibom State? Why una no go leave Biafran land alone, go search for people when they kill the main soldier men in the north? So, ladies and gentlemen, I say somebody like Atiku Abubakar in Waru, Nigeria, he not see anything wrong with the bombing when they bomb Biafran people, innocent civilians for that matter. I wonder a country when they go just wake up in the morning, their soldiers go carry arms and ammunition and a bomber jets to they bomb their people. Civilization never still reach that zoo at all. And if it continue like this, I wonder when civilization go enter that country. One more thing, these people, they want to intimidate us, they want to cow us down because of their 2023. There is no way we are not going to accept it. These people, they want to intimidate people with their 300,000 army when they get. When it's set now, they don't go see the army and the police people. Again, all of them will disappear into the thin air. One love everybody. As if when I get anything on content from KD, you get your opinion. Come yana on my comment section. As it be, and so with the yana for here. One love everybody, and don't forget to subscribe to Funky D Worldwide. Bye.